Hey guys, subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notifications so that you can get notified about my future videos. Hey guys, how are you? In this video, I'm going to talk about the Xiaomi Mi Mix 3 smartphone by Xiaomi is going to launch on 25th of October 2018. If you talk about the specs of the Xiaomi Mi Mix 3, it comes with a 6.4-inch OLED panel with bezel-less design. And this bezel-less design is not any bezel-less design. It has something interesting because the screen to body ratio of the Xiaomi Mi Mix 3 is 98%, which is something really interesting. Moreover, the phone consists of a slide-up camera module just like you see in the Oppo Find X, but this time you have to slide the screen manually instead of through a motor. The camera module of the Xiaomi Mi Mix 3 comprises of two 24-megapixel selfie cameras and a bright LED flash on the front, and are accessible by only a slight movement of your finger. The Xiaomi Mi Mix 3 is rumored to have a screen resolution of 2340 by 1080 with an aspect ratio of 19.5:9. Furthermore, one of the variants of the Xiaomi Mi Mix 3 will have 10 gigs of RAM. You heard me right, 10 gigs of RAM in a freaking smartphone. That is simply amazing. Apart from the 10 gigs variant, there will also be some other variants with lesser RAM and less price. And another thing about the 10 gigs model, that it will have a 512 gigs of internal storage. And on the back there is a 13 megapixel plus 16 megapixel dual lens setup on the back of the phone. And the back of the phone is made up of aluminum. Some leaks suggest that there will be an in-screen fingerprint scanner, and some say that there will be no in-screen fingerprint scanner and the fingerprint scanner is on the back of the phone. Furthermore, there is a 4000 mAh of battery in the Xiaomi Mi Mix 3. The Xiaomi Mi Mix 3 will come out of the box running on Android 8.0 that can be upgraded to Android 9.0 Pie, the latest version of Android. The Xiaomi Mi Mix 3 will be powered by Qualcomm's quad-core Snapdragon 845 SoC processor. Another amazing feature of the Xiaomi Mi Mix 3 is 5G connectivity, which is an interesting feature because I don't know how they made it possible for the mobile to support 5G connectivity as it runs on a Snapdragon 845. Let's see what Xiaomi has to say about this technology on 25th of October when the Xiaomi Mi Mix 3 is going to launch. Guys, that's all for today. See you in the next video. Please comment, like and share my videos, and subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notifications so that you can get notified about my future videos. Till then, peace out.